Hey guys, I am Vinay. This is day one of Project Vinay. In this, I am going to document my journey where I am going to learn from scratch a language and learning my improving my communication skill and logic building and master at a language and till I get placed. And today I have learned Python fundamentals. I have started class 11 book, uh, class 11 book Sumita arora with computer science with Python. Yeah, in this I have started learning chapter 7 Python fundamentals, where I today learned the Python characteristics, uh, talk about tokens, litters, identifiers, operators, and variables, and simple input and output statements. Yeah, and did some 10 book back exercise. Yeah, today I spent over 2 to 3 hours of learning, and I wasted my time uh, by watching a 30 hours, 30 minutes YouTube. Yeah, so I try to improve tomorrow. Yeah, yeah, this is what I did today, and yeah, thank you.